Hi there, today's video is going to show you how to make a double thickness shop towel mask. I have 2 layers of shop towel back to back, 2 pieces of electrical tape, cut the width of the shop towel, and then 4 twist ties that have the metal inside. This is what I have handy for the nose piece. So I'm going to take the 4 twist ties and stack them. And I'm using 4 because the metal inside is really thin. It will depend on what kind of twist ties you have and how many you need to use. To find out, simply squish them around your nose and see how they stay. So I'm putting the twist ties in the middle of the electrical tape, and I'm putting the electrical tape at the very top of one of the layers of the face mask. This will be the top outside layer. Looks like that. The shop towels are nice and neatly together, and I'm going to use this piece of electrical tape just to tape them together at the bottom. Do you really need to do this step? No, I like it because I think it preserves the mask longer. You shouldn't be wearing the same face mask every day if you have the luxury to make a number of these, unless you're sanitizing it in between. But even if you're sanitizing it and you have access to more than one of them, try and rotate them so that you're not using it every single day. All right, top of the mask to be, bottom of the mask to be. I'm simply going to fan fold it now, kind of like I used to do when I was in church and folding my church bulletins when I was a little kid and it was hot inside the church. Or like I used to fold the napkins during my college waitressing days. All right, so now one thing is we want, so again, this is the one that has the little twist ties in it. This needs to be on the top, this needs to be on the bottom. So that actually came out really well. I'm just gonna wiggle these just a tiny bit to make a little bit more space. So that's what it looks like in the front, that's what it looks like on the back. Smooth that down. And now I'm going to staple on my earpieces. I'm using elastic that I had handy, just tied together. And these ones are gonna go over my ears. And then I'm gonna use a stapler to staple that together. You obviously want the pokey part of the staple on the outside because you don't want that next to your skin. You can use a regular stapler. I have a commercial stapler here, but you absolutely can use a regular one. You may need to do it on both sides and then put a layer of tape over it. That staple wasn't happy, but it worked. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside, close to your skin. This is what it looks like on the outside, and then we're just gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna flip it around. I'm only using a ruler just to try and make this edge a little bit neater and make it easier to slide that elastic in. I have an assembly line set up on my dining room table, and so I'm doing each piece individually, and it's actually making it go so much faster. So I'm doing 50 pieces of elastic, cutting them all to this correct size, and then tying them together, and then doing strips of tape in a big old stack. All right, so here we go on the other side, and that literally is what it's gonna look like. So when you open it up, it's gonna look like that on your face. And then refer to my other videos for the discussion about the cage for the face mask, the trifecta of rubber bands or elastic to keep it really tight to your face. There you go. Happy mask making.